to do today?
So today we'll learn about range function. So in the previous session we saw about range function, right? So using the range we will solve multiple problems.
Okay.
Okay. See, earlier we learned about the range function, which is used to print the range of numbers, right?
Yeah, uncle.
Okay. A equal to range of 0 to 10. Okay, if we give like this, A will have the numbers from 0 to 9.
Okay.
Okay. Now here also we can use the step increment or decrement. Like in list, okay, if we give 2 here, it is a step increment. By default, the step increment is 1. We don't need to specify. But if we give 2, then what will happen is 0 will be printed and 1 will be ignored, and 1 will not be printed, 2 will be printed, 4 will be printed, 6 will be printed, 8 will be printed. You got it?
All the if there are three numbers, it will not print two.
Yeah, right.
Okay, okay. It will delete one number and print it.
Yeah, alternatively.
Okay.
You can see that, right?
Okay.
Okay,
It took all the odd numbers.
odd numbers. Now, not just 2, I can write like 3 also.
Okay, okay. It's our choice.
Ah, so what happens now is uh, 3 increments, okay? Step increment by
Okay.
3. Okay, 0. 1 and 2 will not be printed, 3 will be printed, 4 and 5 will not be printed, 6 will be printed, 7 and 8 now will not be printed, 9 will be printed, okay?
Okay.
You got it right?
Yeah, okay. I see.
Okay, now if someone is asking you to print the range of numbers from 1 to 10,
Uh,
how you will do that?
uh, for I
So what will be there inside the range? 1 to 10 inside a list.
one 0 to 11.
0 to 11. Think and tell me.
Yeah.
Think once and tell me. I want 1 to 10.
Uh, in the array, it will start from one or zero.
It will start from 0. See here.
Okay.
Now,
Okay,
if
okay.
I want from 1 to 10, what I need to do?
One.
Okay.
Instead of zero, you should give one. Okay.
Okay. This is how
Uh,
we will do it. Okay.
okay.
Even if you want to create a list with numbers from 1 to 100, okay, you cannot keep on writing. You don't need to write the numbers inside a list.
Okay.
You can use the
Okay.
range. Okay.
Okay. I see.
And now using this, okay, we can solve so many problems. Okay, the first problem is if someone is asking you to print the numbers, print the odd numbers from 1 to 10.
Two. Then we can uh, something
How-
some variable equal to
Mhm,
list range
mhm,
and
tell me.
inside the range we can print uh, one comma
Mm,
like three.
okay.
No.
Mm,
10.
okay. Then
10 comma 3.
comma 3. Sure. You take your book and write and tell me.
Okay. Yeah, like I should do in my PyCharm or
No,
what should I
you
do?
can you write in your book so that you will understand it better. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Mami చెప్పు చెప్పు.
Mm,
వస్తాను. So you write and tell me. I will come back in 1 minute. Just in a minute, I will be back. Okay. Hello.
hello, uncle. Hello, uncle. Hello.
Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay.
Okay.
You got the answer, Sairam?
Uncle, two instead of three. Uncle.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, this is the right answer.
okay.
Okay. Now the second question is print the even numbers from 1 to 10.
Mm, okay. Wait a minute.
Hmm. Don't use the PyCharm.
I should in my books.
Yeah,
Okay.
because if you use PyCharm, you will
Uh-huh.
keep on substituting the values and you will execute and you will tell the
Okay.
answer. But
It
we
is
want,
easy.
yeah, I want you to think.
The logical thinking. What
Yeah.
will happen if this come and okay, okay. I understand. And even numbers 1 to 10. Uncle,
Hmm.
in the like B second line
Hmm.
0, comma 10, comma 2. So it will print like it will avoid 1
Hmm.
and it will print.
Hmm. But read the question again.
Should print even numbers from 1 to 10.
Hmm.
Uh, okay.
I said 1 to 10.
Okay. That is 0 to 10. 0
Hmm.
to 9. Okay.
No, 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Hmm.
Okay.
So what is the even numbers from what are the even numbers from 1 to 10? Tell me.
2, 4, 6,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
10.
Right. That is what I need.
Okay. So, okay. Plus, uncle, can
Hmm.
we do like this? Some variable like equal to
Hmm.
list,
Hmm.
range,
Hmm.
colon, 1 comma
Hmm.
11
Hmm.
comma 2.
Hmm.
Okay, what is
Now
happening?
what will happen?
I think it will print
You tell me
the
the
even
answer.
numbers.
You write the answer. So it will start at 1 and it will
Mm-hmm.
increment. It will have to. It will increment by 2 every
Uncle,
time.
I think. Wait a minute, I'm thinking.
Hmm.
Okay. It will avoid, if there are three numbers, it will avoid the second index.
Hmm.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 0, and 1 will be last. 1 is 2. So it will, we cannot use 2. If we use 3, what will 3 do is it will cut 3 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will be cut 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, 3 in that. Uncle 3,
Okay, what is the output? You tell me.
and there will be 3, 7,
Hmm.
11,
Hmm. But is that what I need?
Uncle?
But that is not what I want, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
uh, it should get 1, 3, 7, 11, right?
Hmm.
No, no, 5.
This is the output I need.
Uh, okay, 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 okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Uncle, can we use 1?
Where? Here, huh?
Uh,
If I use 1, what will happen?
uh, the zeroth index, I think the zeroth index will be correct. Um, means
It starts with 1 and 1 will be added to each and every index element. It, see, this and this both are same. It will print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, I will tell you this one. See, first what I am saying that the numbers should be from, uh, see, the numbers are from 1 to 10, but I want only even numbers, right? Hello?
hello, uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah, uncle.
Now, you start from 2. This
Uh,
always you keep the first element here. If you want to start at 3, you keep the 3 here. Okay.
okay.
So see, so simple thing is, if you start at 2, it will print the values from 2 to 10.
Uh,
Okay, now 2 to 10 is there, but what I want even numbers. So increment by 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So that is what I am specifying here 2. And if I run it, I am getting the output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Ah, okay.
Okay, you take these notes.
Ah. So it will add.
Yeah, yeah, that is the step increment.
Ah, okay. So if they're 1 to 11, it will not work.
Hmm?
Means, if there is 1
Hmm.
before, it will not work.
It will print odd number.
Even okay, odd numbers.
Okay, it will be
Okay.
the same output will be repeated. You see, you're just changing the starting value. That's it.
Okay.
Write the output also.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay, uncle. Yeah.
Hmm. Now, see, we can use the same range function to print the numbers in reverse order also.
What?
We can use the same range function to print the numbers in reverse order.
Okay, okay. With
Okay.
double colon. Okay, okay, like this. Okay.
Yeah. In list we will use the colon, but in
Uh-huh.
range we will use comma.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Print type. Just see what is there in the print type. 10 to 1.
Okay.
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 And we can use the increment also.
Huh? Huh?
Step decrement. Now it will become step decrement.
Okay.
Now it will print the even numbers from 10 to 1.
Huh? Okay. Oh,
You're getting?
it will minus from 10 to, it will minus 10 minus
Hmm.
2 is 8.
Hmm.
10, 8 minus 2 is 6.
Hmm.
6 minus 2 is 4.
Hmm.
Yeah, like that.
Hmm.
And if it minus, it will go 0. It will not print the 0. Instead of that, it will print all of the even numbers.
No, actually it will print only up to 1 only. It will
Hmm.
not print 0.
Okay.
Okay, it is the same concept. It is not printing 10, right? It is printing only up to
Ah.
9.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, now I will ask you the question.
Hmm.
Print the
Okay.
range of numbers from, uh, not the range of numbers, odd numbers from 10 to 1 using the range function. You are getting the question?
Okay. Okay. I should print 1 to 10 odd numbers in reverse order.
Hmm. Print
Okay.
odd numbers from 10 to 1. Okay, 10 to 1 or 1 to 10 in reverse order.
Okay. Uncle,
Okay,
can we create a variable?
I will tell you the output also. My output should look like this: 10, 8, 6, 4, 2.
Odd numbers.
Hmm?
Odd
Odd,
numbers.
sorry, odd numbers, right? Yeah. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Okay.
Uh, from 1 to 10.
Hmm.
We can create a variable and inside that 11
Okay.
and comma 1.
Okay.
No, no, no. 0, 0.
Okay.
Minus,
Minus
minus
2.
2, uncle.
Hmm. Yeah, this is
Okay, what?
little correct, but one extra odd number is added.
Okay, what is that? 11.
11.
9. Instead of 11, we can use 9.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
did I solve? Okay, did I solve
Good.
this one?
Good. Good.
Okay, thank.
You can make notes if you want. You can write the notes.
Okay. Then uncle.
Done. Okay.
Okay.
Now the question is print the multiplication table of a given number.
Multiplication table of a given number.
Hmm. That means what?
That means if two tables means it will two twos are four and two
Yeah.
threes are six, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Two twos are 4. Two threes are 6. Okay, like that. It will go
Okay,
on.
I can use the range function.
You can use the range function.
Okay. Can we create a variable
Hmm.
and we can okay we can create a variable equal to
Hmm.
and range
Mm-hmm.
mm, two
Okay. X equal to list range. Hmm.
two
Now I want the output like this. You should have 2
Like,
into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 3 equal to 6.
okay, okay, see. How's that? Mm,
Okay, I will solve this one and I will give homework to you. Okay.
can I solve like this? Can we store in a variable?
What need to be
Like,
stored? Yeah, what should be in
like
the for range? Yeah, tell me.
not the range function.
Okay.
Uh, like x total equal to total.
Hmm.
To, equal to total. We can declare the total equal to two up there.
Total equal to how much?
Two.
Okay.
And another line in the tenth line,
Hmm.
total equal to total
Hmm.
into two.
Hmm.
And like continue like this.
Okay. What will happen?
It will like I think it will total will be four and plus okay it will not come.
Okay, I will tell you the logic. How
Okay.
you can problems. How we are going to solve this? I will tell you. See, we need to print 2 into equal to this variable and this variable every time.
Uh,
Okay. So what we need to do is see this problem needs to be iterated. See these variables need to be iterated every time. So for that purpose we are using for loop. Okay.
okay.
And this 1 to 10, see 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the values which are going to get iterated. Okay. So for that purpose, for I in range 1 comma
Okay.
11.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will say print 2 star comma
Hmm.
I will come here
Okay. Okay, like this.
uh, comma 2 star I. Okay, and
Uncle.
that's it. Hmm.
Okay. How did you study JavaScript like this, Uncle?
Hmm.
In the YouTube, they are telling like they are not doing problems. They are teaching.
Hmm.
How did you learn JavaScript so advanced and so logically?
Who?
You, Uncle.
This is not Java. This is Python.
No, 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 no. JavaScript, Python.
Hmm.
In the internet, they are not solving problems
Yeah, yeah. So that is my style. Okay, I will explain.
because
I will solve the
yeah,
problem and I
because
will explain the concept.
because you are expert, very expert at JavaScript.
JavaScript or Python?
No, Python. Like I was doing Python like JavaScript for 2 days. I didn't study Python so
Hmm.
long because I studied half an hour
Okay.
in that academy in that YouTube channel you told
Hmm.
that I saw seven video, five six video I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, I was building an app with JavaScript. That's why it is coming JavaScript.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Did you understand this?
Okay. We are going for I in range 1 comma 11 and
It's simple. I will make it even more simpler to you.
Okay.
Instead of table, multiples of 2. How do you solve the multiples of 2? Simple. This is the output. 2 into I. Every
Uh,
time I will be 1 will be incremented by 1. Okay, see
uh,
this. 2 to 10,
this
2 to 20 I got. Right?
uncle print I. What is the I value?
I value will be from 1 to 10.
Okay, I see. It will print
Okay.
like the two table
Hmm.
till the 10.
I
Huh?
value is, say I value is 1,
Uh,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is you
uh,
know what this is, you can replace this with the list.
okay, okay, okay. Okay.
But you don't want to write all this, you are replacing this list with a range function.
Hmm.
This is same. But you don't want to write
Uh,
all this. If someone is asking you to print from 1 to 100, will you go on asking writing the list from 1 to 100? No, right? So instead of that, what are you going to do? You are just going to write the use
writing.
the range. That's
Okay, range is so advanced and yeah,
yeah,
it is
will be very
helpful.
useful.
Yeah, because it is too easy. We
Hmm.
are writing big arrays in just two numbers.
Okay.
Two numbers means we are like doing like this 1 comma 11 like that.
See, we got the two table output, but what I
Yeah.
need to add to get the table? Just I want to add this. I just want to prefix this before the table. That's it. Okay. For that, what I am doing? I am just doing this. 2 into some variable should be here. Okay, equal to.
Yeah.
But the thing is, this is a variable, so I cannot keep
Yeah,
this in
uncle,
the quotes. So what I need to do, I need to separate it.
okay.
Okay, so like this I am doing, and what will happen? It will print the table.
Okay, I see.
So
Okay.
see the string. You should know how to print a string and how to print a variable. Okay.
Um,
First thing is to print a string. What is a string? String str1 is a variable, and the string is
yeah.
Sairam.
Uh, okay.
Okay. Now, if you print this, you definitely need to use quotes inside the print.
Mm,
Print Sairam. Okay. It is printing Sairam, right? But if you are using variable, you should not put the quotes.
okay.
You should just give the variable name itself. str1.
Okay.
Okay.
I know.
So
Yeah.
the string should be enclosed by the single quote or double quote, and the variable should never be enclosed.
Okay.
Okay, that is
It should
why
not be.
that is why I did not enclose I within the double quotes.
Okay.
Okay, now you got it right.
Yeah, uncle.
Hmm. Simple. Okay,
Uncle,
so
I done you done so many things in the last class by
okay.
adding two arrays, right?
Hmm.
I done that, but it will not work in big arrays. It will work in lower arrays because I'm not using the range, but I'm using. It will be so long. Lines will be so long.
Okay.
It's not like it will like for like you give me two arrays, right?
Hmm.
Six
Hmm.
numbers.
Hmm.
What it will do is it will for one in list one means
Hmm.
it will add in a variable. It will add one.
Hmm.
That means it will print like no. What will happen is I will do like this for the 6 numbers, and if I print that variable, it will print 27.
Okay, let me tell me the array.
Okay, like
Two,
1,
four,
2, 3.
six, one,
Yeah, some
three, 7. Now list it to
and
tell me.
something uncle. Like I have 6 numbers totally.
Hmm.
In first array I have 3, and like you give me in the last class you are working with 2 arrays, right?
Okay.
I done that with that array.
Okay.
I was thinking for so long.
Now what is the doubt here? Tell me. What you want me to write here?
Like for no
Hmm.
no no, if
If okay.
I if like one sorry,
Hmm.
one, no, 2, the number in the array
Hmm.
in list 1
Hmm.
means it should add with the array.
Okay.
No, it should add in a variable, it should add 2 colon
Mm-hmm.
like total
Hmm.
equal to total
Hmm.
plus 2.
Hmm.
It was a short array. I done this for every number.
But why you have written like this? If why you are using the if condition?
Because I am checking if that number is there, it will add 2.
Okay. Okay. So you created your own problem.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that is.
not my own,
Mm-hmm.
not my own problem. I found a solution. Like I was thinking at Saturday, what should
Okay.
do? I should. I did for every numbers. Every number, like there are totally 6 numbers in both array. I did
Mhm.
it quickly, and the output was 27.
Okay.
You gave him yeah, homework,
Mm-hmm.
and I like in the last class, and you did that.
Mm.
You like did that with 6
Mm.
options,
Mm.
and I myself used this option using the if condition.
See, when you have to use the if condition is uh,
Hmm.
okay. Let me tell you. Um, so why I have told? See, I remember like I told you some if condition. Why I told you the if condition? In which cases? In some case I told you.
No, you didn't tell me. I myself tried to do like that.
Okay, but that is not the right way. See, the reason is let me tell you. See, for I in list one, if this is the case, print total will give me the total,
Uh,
and that too it will not give the total. So every I think it will give total will be 12. I think. Okay, total should be defined like total equal to 0. Now it will print 12,
yeah.
but that is not the total because you are checking 2 in
Uh,
the list 1 and 2 is there in the list 1. The condition
okay.
is true, so it went inside the if condition. And now what
Okay.
it is doing? It is adding 2 to the total every time.
Hmm.
I value, see, the first time I value is 2. You are not checking the I value in the list. Okay, you are just checking 2 is in the list or not. Even if the I
Uh,
is even if the I is 4, 2 is checked in the list and total will be printed. Okay, just want to make sure, see, print I comma total. You see this one.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
this is wrong logic.
Hmm.
Okay, you don't need to check that element of the list one. Okay, you
Huh.
can just write it like this: total equal to total plus I. Okay, and you print the total.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay.
23. 2, 6, 12, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, and in my method, I didn't even use a for loop. I just used that if condition,
Mm-hmm.
like that. Like, yeah, if else that all. That's all.
See, the
I
if
read
condition,
it.
when you can use the if condition, I will tell you.
Okay.
5, 8, 1, 6, 23, something like 20. Okay, now assume there is no list 2. The question is, the question is, add only the even numbers in the given list.
Hmm.
That time you have to use a for if condition. So what is the if
How?
condition? How you are going to add? First you need to identify whether that number is even number or not. What is the logic for even number?
4, 2, 4, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. But how you are going to print? Okay, first before adding, let's print only the even numbers. How we can print the even numbers?
With the range.
No, it's not the range of numbers. They have already given the numbers.
Okay.
So how you can print the even numbers in this list? So okay, first by definition, what is an even number?
2, 4, 6, like that numbers.
But
9, 10, 8, 10,
okay,
like that.
by definition, if the even number is a number which is divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 0.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, so that means let us assume that the number is something. When it is divided by 2, gives me the remainder 0.
0.
Okay, but in Python we call the remainder. See, the remainder function will be we have to use the percentage symbol to get the remainder.
Ah, okay.
Okay, now using this logic, we will find out whether a number is even or not. So, okay, now for I in list 1, print I. So what it will do,
Ah. It will print all the numbers.
right?
2, 4, 6.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
we will separate. We will write a condition. What is the condition?
Ah.
The condition is the number. So instead of I will write number only. Okay.
Okay, now. Num
Percentage
search
to
up to in.
not in double equals to
Okay.
0. Then
0.
only you print. Okay.
Print I.
Okay. So I not I. This is number. Okay. Now you
Ah,
see.
okay. It will.
Got it?
Okay, okay. Ah, okay.
And what if you want to print the odd numbers?
By 3.
Odd number. What is the definition? When it is divided by 2, it gives the remainder 1, right?
Yeah.
So that is a see I simply replace 0 with 1 and I got it.
How, uncle?
Yeah.
Divisible by 2. We cannot divide. Cannot divide odd numbers with 2, uncle.
Huh?
Odd numbers we cannot divide, right? With 2.
Yeah, it can be divided, but it gives the remainder, right? I am saying the remainder is 1.
Okay, okay, I see.
You got it right?
2 will divide the number and
Hmm. Gives the remainder
it
1.
will. Okay, okay, okay. It will always give the remainder 1.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, I see. If 2 divided by 3, the remaining number, the remaining number is always 1.
Hmm.
It cannot divide freely. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, I see. the logic.
Okay,
Hmm.
this is for odd number and this is for even number.
Okay.
Okay, now I will use this logic and what I will do is instead of printing the number, I will add the number to the total. Total equal to 0. Okay, total equal to total
0.
plus number,
Hmm? Okay.
and I have to print the total value. And
Okay.
for to understand it easily, I will write current number is
Huh? What is
okay.
okay?
Current number means the present number.
What is the total? It will be 0. Huh?
Your total
The number.
of all uh, even numbers is okay. You see this one now.
Huh? What is this uncle 46?
Ah, see what
Huh?
is happening is in the list one, the first value is 2.
Hmm.
Okay, in the first iteration, number what is the value of num?
Hmm.
Tell me.
2, 2, 2,
2 percentage 2 is
0.
correct.
Hmm.
It entered inside the if condition and it is
Yeah.
printing this statement. Current number is num. What is in the num?
Oh,
Okay, it printed this.
okay. Why it is not printing? Okay, okay, I see.
Now,
It will not.
no, no, don't think about anything. First, we will think like a Python compiler.
Hmm.
Okay, now what is happening after printing?
Okay, see, it will add with the num and total equal to num
What is the value of total now?
2.
Okay, the value of total is 2.
Hmm.
Now,
And
the
again,
for loop did not end. Now, what is there in the num in the second iteration?
okay, okay, I see, it will be 4
Uh,
and num will be 4. It
hmm.
will plus with the
No, don't
2
go,
in
don't
the.
jump, don't jump, don't jump. You
Uh,
check whether this is true or not.
okay,
4
okay, it will
percentage
be
2 equals 0 or not?
0.
0, right?
Yeah.
Now what?
Hmm.
And again, what will happen?
It will come to the print statement
Uh,
and it will print the value and
See, you are seeing that one, right?
yeah.
Current number is 4.
So
And next, what will
uncle one
happen?
minute. And total will be 2 already.
Hmm.
2 plus 4 is 6.
Okay. Now, what is the
Uh,
value of num in the next iteration?
uh, will be 6.
Okay, 6% 2.
Yeah, true. It will come 0.
Hmm.
And
Correct.
number 6.
Okay. So it will
And
print
the
the
total
statement. Current number is 6. So total is
and
already 6 and num
6
value is
plus
also 6. What is the total?
12.
Okay, now what will happen in the next iteration? What is the num value?
Next number 1
Okay, 1% 2.
false. It will not.
Yeah, it will not do anything. It will just because it is false, it is going to the next iteration. What is the value of num?
3. It will also not be suitable
If
to
the
this
condition is
condition.
false, if condition is not satisfied, it is false.
It will not. It will not. It will not. It will ignore the code
Hmm.
in the 3 lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will ignore.
Not
It
ignore.
will
It will not
ignore.
even, the control will not even go here.
Yeah, it will not go here and it will go back to that for loop.
Correct.
It
So
will take that next iteration.
7.
Yeah, 7, which
7
is
what will happen?
false.
Okay,
And
then
again,
fine.
next iteration, it will also false.
And next 8.
Huh? This is true.
Okay, now what will
And
happen?
8, num equal to 8. And total is already 12.
Hmm.
12 plus 8 is 20.
Hmm.
And it will go to the next iteration, which is
Hmm.
1, which
Hmm.
is an odd number,
Hmm.
not suitable to this condition.
Hmm.
Next iteration, which is 6.
Hmm.
And it will, like, the condition satisfied, the
Hmm.
num will be printed,
Hmm.
and total will be already 20, and it will be 26, which is
Hmm.
so stored.
Hmm.
And it will go to that last iteration 20.
Hmm.
And the number will be 20, the condition will be satisfied,
Hmm.
num will be 20,
Hmm.
and already total is 26 plus this 20, 46.
Hmm.
And finally all this iteration over,
Hmm.
print total of all even numbers is total, comma total,
Hmm.
plus total will be 46,
Hmm.
which is stored in the total,
Okay, now you
which is
understood, right?
we can do this with the odd numbers also.
Hmm. What you need
Instead
to do?
of 0, 0 we can use 1,
Hmm.
and it will print the same.
Hmm.
Okay, the odd numbers, which are
Okay,
which is
I understood,
okay,
right?
uncle. Yeah, uncle.
Interesting.
Huh? Yeah, very interesting.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so note down the problems.
Hmm. Okay, what, uncle?
Just a minute.
Hmm?
So based on this only, I will give the assignment.
Okay.
Okay, the question is print the numbers from 5 to 15 using range function.
Okay.
Okay,
Using, okay, now what is, print the numbers from 5 to 15
hmm.
in range numbers. Okay.
Hmm. Print the numbers from print the odd numbers from
What is this? In the first question, I should print even
no, just print the numbers from 5 to 15. That's it.
okay. So I should do this in Python.
So the output should be like this:
Huh? Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So
Okay,
it should not be it
like a
should
list.
not
It should
okay.
not be like a list.
Okay, okay. It should not okay. It should not have any brackets, and
Yeah.
it should print like this.
Hmm.
5, 6, and the next line it should print.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see. And print
10,
all.
13.
We should not use the list for this. We should not. It should not print like in list.
Hmm.
Okay, see. From 10 to 20 to 10. Uncle, can you send me a screenshot?
Yeah, yeah, I will paste this in WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah, thanks. Sunday I cannot come, uncle. Saturday I was doing something with JavaScript, and
Hmm.
Sunday I went out to a temple,
Hmm.
so I cannot come.
Okay.
Okay, like okay, in reverse order, even numbers.
Hmm.
This is odd numbers. Uncle, even numbers not like this, uncle.
Odd numbers, okay?
Uncle, you gave it. Okay, okay. I understood. In reverse order.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Multiplication table.
Hmm.
Reverse
Hmm.
order.
Reverse order means
Like from the 10.
correct.
Okay, from 10. Okay. Okay.
You have to think, okay? So like
So,
this it should be,
mhm.
and mm, what else we tried here? Okay, some of the odd numbers, some are the even numbers, huh? Mm, okay.
So I should
In the given
do
list,
this. Okay.
add only the values which are divisible
Divisible.
by 3.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And print the total. Okay.
Okay.
List 1 equal to 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 17,
Okay.
18, 21, 23, 27,
Uh-huh.
300,
300.
hmm,
Okay.
255, 297. Okay.
Okay.
What is the output? Output is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 27 plus
Okay.
uh, oh, 27 plus okay, instead of 25 I will give 24. Okay. Mm, 300 plus
Plus
297. Okay. 693.
600.
Okay.
693. Okay.
But you know, right? This value may not, maybe or may not be correct because I might have done some mistake in adding the values. But you got the output. You got it right. Like whichever is divisible
Yeah.
by 3 perfectly. Okay,
Uh,
that should be
okay.
added. That should be
Okay.
added. All the values should be added, and it should be printed.
Okay.
Okay, this is the homework.
Homework.
Okay.
Okay.